Hi, my name is Joanne. I'm a graphic designer and am transitioning into being a Pilates instructor. Um, I took the courses a couple of years ago to become an instructor and have um, been learning since, and just felt that I needed some more help in the confidence in teaching Pilates. And so that's why I came to Tanya.
Fantastic. That's so lovely, Joanne. Was there anything that made you hesitate about working with me on this course?
Yes, just wasn't sure how it would work, how it would help me exactly. Um, got more information of the course itself. Really put my mind at ease that there is like a whole curriculum, and I could see that how it could improve.
Fantastic. So what do you think has benefited you with this course? How do you feel you've changed as a result of doing this course with me?
I feel like I have a better understanding of what it is to be a Pilates instructor. Um, and I've learned about my own values, and I've learned that how I can be a better instructor by teaching from those values, and that is the biggest thing I've got out of it.
That's fantastic. So would you recommend this course to anybody else?
Yes, definitely, without a doubt, I would recommend it. It's helped me just have a better understanding of so besides my values and um, how to teach in so many different ways that were not ever explained to me taking Pilates teaching courses. um, Layering, um, teaching in different ways with imagery and cues, and um, it just layering all those things just helped me tremendously. The course has helped me so much that I ended up getting a part-time job as a Pilates instructor at a really good gym, and I can't be more grateful to Tanya. Um, the proof is in the pudding.